sounds kind of weird, but it's gonna be delicious. Hamburger with a side of macaroni and cheese? No way. How about a macaroni cheeseburger? Thanks for joining me here today at Annie's Smoking Pot. I, of course, am Annie. This is my tiny kitchen, and today we're making something kind of out of the box. It came to me from my editor as a comment, so we're gonna make it because that's what we do. First thing we wanna do though is get a bun toasting. So we're gonna put just a little bit of oil in the pan, turn it on to a medium temp because we don't wanna burn the bread. We just want to give it a nice light toasting. Oh, we are using a really gorgeous, gorgeous potato bun. I love potato buns. They're such a soft, tender bread. If I could learn to make potato bread, oh, I would do it in a heartbeat. You got a recipe for me? Hit me up in those comments. I'm always willing to learn something new. While that's going, let's go ahead and get the sauce ready that's going to go onto this burger. And it's quite simple. It's just some Japanese mayonnaise. And for a little bit of heat, we're gonna add just a little bit of sriracha. That's it. We're just gonna mix that up. Oh, look at that, we got some on our finger. Ooh, that's why we wear gloves. This is such a crazy, crazy idea. Who would have thought about putting macaroni and cheese on a burger, not on the side, actually on the burger? And we are gonna do it smash burger. So this right here is enough for probably at least 3 smash burgers. So I'm not gonna use it all, but I'm gonna go ahead and get the ball ready that I need. We are gonna call this about 3 ounces, give or take. All right, let's take a look at those buns. Oh, that's toasting beautifully. Almost done. Beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and flip them over just to get a little bit of a toasting on the outside as well. Let's get to smashing. I'm gonna add just a little bit more oil because I am using a leaner beef. This is a 93.7, so it doesn't have a lot of fat in it, so it could possibly stick just a little bit, and I don't want that to happen. Whoop, just like that. We're gonna smash. Ooh. This always tests my new shoulders. Ooh, there we go. Beautiful. Woo! How exciting is that? I love smash burgers. And we're just gonna season it with a little salt and pepper. And it is a kosher salt, so it is a little bit nuggier of a salt. Nuggier? Nuggier. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. It's nuggier. Because it is a smash burger, they don't take long at all. Cook the burger the way you want it. If you like a little pink in there, leave a little pink in there. If you don't want any pink at all, cook it through. It's okay, it's your choice. Oh, look at that beautiful sear on there. That's a perfect burger right there. Absolutely a perfect burger. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull that off and go on to the next step. We're gonna just put it on here and let it rest. So it will continue to cook a little bit as well while it sits there. Now we're going to the strange part. I don't want to say it's the fun part. I think it's the fun part. It's definitely the strange part. I have got some macaroni and cheese. It's just your standard boxed macaroni and cheese. I made it according to the directions right here, but I added sour cream instead of the milk because I wanted it to have more of a binder. Then milk would make it too runny for what we're about to do. Ring mold. Now, if you don't have a ring mold, you know what? Suck it up, Buttercup. Figure it out. I have a ring mold. It's actually an egg mold, but it works. With the ring mold, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with a little nonstick cooking spray because I don't want my mac and cheese to stick. Definitely not gonna stick to my hand now. And you're gonna wanna cook this at a low temperature. We're gonna put our ring mold in there. Yeah, I told you it was crazy. Absolutely crazy. And we're gonna smoosh it down in there so it's nice and tight. I love that my little ring mold here has this nice little handle for me to hold on to. What we're doing is we're getting it golden brown and crispy on both sides. So of course we will flip it. It's not gonna take long, maybe 2 minutes max. Give it a little feel here to see what we're dealing with. Oh, we're almost there. All right, let's give it a flip and hope it holds its shape. And over we go. Ready? Here we go. That's what you want right there. Just a nice little crispy exterior. One thing about having a cooking show, we've got neighbor dogs, and the neighbor dogs can smell when we're cooking. So earlier today when I was cooking up that mac and cheese, we had another precious little visitor. Yeah, that's her name, Precious. She is hands down absolutely adorable. She's just the biggest sweetheart. She likes mac and cheese. But you didn't hear that from me. I would never give a dog mac and cheese. Maybe a little. You know what? That is about done. So let's construct a burger. We're gonna go ahead and put some of this right there on that bun and smear it around. Cover all those edges with this wonderful little sauce. If you want a little bit more of like a tartness to your burger as well, you could add some chopped pickles to the sauce if you would like. I love pickles. I do. And we're gonna go ahead and place our hamburger right in the center of that bun, just like that. And we're gonna top it, you guessed it, with the mac and cheese. There we go. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. And there we have it. That is a mac and cheese burger. A mac and cheese burger. It's simple, it's quick. You've got leftover macaroni and cheese. You don't want the same old thing. Whip up a burger, slap some of that on there, and it's gonna be delicious. This is short, quick, easy. This took what? It takes 10 minutes to make the mac and cheese, and the rest of this took maybe another 10 minutes, if that. And if you happen to have more than one pan, you know, double burner, you can be doing your burger and your mac and cheese at the same time to even cut down your time even more. Cut it right in half. Let's cut into it. Are you ready, cameraman? Here we go. Oh, look at that. Now that is a beautiful burger. Absolutely perfect. Cooked beautifully. It's juicy. It's tender. All right, I'm going in. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. That is so crazy bizarre to me how good that is. Macaroni and cheese. Oh, I just feel like I'm all greasy. Macaroni and cheese on a burger. Who would have thought it? And it works. It is absolutely fantastic. Be sure to give this a try. And if you like the episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Shoot me up in the comments down below and let me know what you think. And as always though, thank you so much for joining me again. Until next time. Bye. That's kind of crazy good, man.